Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make chili con carne. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we'll need for this recipe is one brown onion. So we're just going to slice through the middle, and all we want to do is thinly dice it. Once your onion's done, we're going to bring across one red capsicum. Slice it down the middle, take out the stem, on both sides of course. And with our capsicum, we just want to dice it as well. Just like so, almost similar to our onion. Now moving on, just into a pot on a medium heat, we're going to start by adding in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And once your oil's hot, we're going to add our onion and capsicum straight in. Now we'll add in 3 crushed garlic cloves. And we just want to cook this all together until our onion and capsicum is soft. Once that's all softened up, we're going to add in 1 kilo of beef mince. And just break it up as you add it in so it cooks quicker. Now we'll season our beef mince with a pinch of salt and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we just want to cook our mince until it's all brown. Once your meat has browned, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper. You can add more if you like it extra hot. Half a tablespoon of ground paprika. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And we'll start to mix this all through. At this point, lower your heat to low to medium. So what we're going to do at this point is add in 1 can of diced tomatoes. I'm just using a 400 gram can. And we'll top this up with 1 cup of beef stock. And I'm also going to add in 1 can of red kidney beans. And that's just a 400 gram can too. Now if you are using dry kidney beans, bear in mind you do have to soak them and cook them beforehand. If not, you will poison yourself. It's one of the most dangerous things. So give that a good mix. And we're going to put the lid on, let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 20-minute mark now. And as you can see, our chili is nicely cooked and our sauce is thickened up nicely as well. So at this point we're ready to serve. I'm just going to keep it simple and serve it on its own. But of course this goes with rice, pasta, chips, salad. Put it on corn chips, make nachos, whatever you like. Alright, and there we have it. Just look at that. Perfect chili con carne. I hope you like that guys. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.